Lamang si Antonio ngayon, 6-12, 13 na. Leading po ang GLCA against LGCS. Antonio serving, 13-6. Too strong. Lakas nun. Fourteen six. (14-7) naka-score ang LGCS. Score, akala ni Antonia magro-wrong court. Easy shot kay Antonia, 15-8 ang score. Service Antonia. Oh, na-miss yun, na-miss. Hindi tinamaan. The score is 9-15 in favor of Antonia. Easy shot again, number 16 na. 16 ang score over 9 LGCS. Eight, 17-9. Antonia leading. Another score for Antonia, 19. (19-10) naka-score ang LGCS. Another score for LGCS, 11-19. (21 point). 1 point advantage. Alright, panalo na si Antonia. Second set, 2 wins against LGCS.